in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace a flat tire. Replace the tube inside this flat tire on a small bicycle. This is quite a small size bicycle, so you can see here the tire size. It's quite a small tire. Now I've got a working tube on this one, so what I'll do is I'm going to remove it from this tire, and I'm going to get the tube inside this tire and I'm going to put it onto this one here. This is quite flat, so I'm going to just simply replace it with an old one instead of buying a new one. But the new tire tube is quite cheap, so you can purchase them from your bike shop store. You can purchase a new tube on the inside for a few dollars and you can just simply replace it. Okay, before we start, there are two bolts, so one on each side and another one on this side. We need to take out the bolt and pull the tire out. Now, in order for you to pull out, sometimes this brake can stop from you pulling out the tire because the brake is too tight. In that case, you may need to loosen up this bolt right here and move this brake cable up a little bit. That will in turn open this brake pad, open like that, and allowing you to pull out the tire. Now what I do first, I'm just going to put the bicycle upside down, so it's easier if it's facing upside down. And we're just going to open up the bolt right here. Okay, and then just going to pull out the tire. Now there's this thing here, this bracket is just holding on to the tire, so just make sure that that's come out. Then you can pull out the tire. You can see sometimes it gets stuck by the brake, so you need to squeeze your tire in to pull it out. And now that it's out, this is actually quite flat, so I'm going to use this spatula. You can use this spatula here that is designed to pull out the tire. If you don't have that, you can use a small spanner. So because I've got this one already, so I'm going to use it. And then, so you put the one in to the tire and you pry it up like that. And then you can use this one here, and then you can just run along the tire like this, and then continue to do that. You can do it this way, so it doesn't matter which way you do it. You can also use a spanner here and try to get it out like so. And then we're going to open this the cap cover. So I'm going to open up the cap, and if there are any air left, then you want to get all the air out before you pull out the tire. And I'm going to pull it out. Now we don't need to get the tire out completely. We can just do it halfway like this and then pull out the tube on the inside. And that's it. So that's the tube right there. And look like it has been patched up before and it's gone flat again. So I'm just going to replace it with a working one now. Okay. I'm going to open this tire. This is the back tire, so we need to have it open. Now on this tire here, there is another bolt on the inside. We need to open it as well. So I'm just going to open the one. Just need another turn. Okay, so that's coming off. We need to get this chain off as well. At the moment it's quite tight. This one here have a few parts, including this one here. You can see this one here already have another piece of metal securing to the frame. So we need to open this one up. Okay, I'm just going to take the chain off on this one. Then we'll pull out the tire. Now we close the brakes that's stopping us from getting it out. So we need to first loosen up the brake on this one here as well. So let's see if I get the right size. And then now you can see the brakes open up, and now we should be able to pull out the tires. Oops. So now the tires coming off, and I'm just going to get some airs out of this tire. The airs come out quite quick. So that is now flat. And again, we're going to use this spatula, open up the tire. It was a bit hard. I'm just going to use another spanner right here to get it open. Actually, it's quite hard. Okay, it's coming out now slowly. So I'm trying to get some air out. Okay, let's try it again this time. Alright, so this is the working tire. It's still got some air in it. So I'm just trying to squeeze it out. Okay, so look like we have most of the air out. I'm going to put it into this wheels over here. Alright, so you want to align this air heads with the hole right here on the frame, on the wheel. So I'm going to push it in. Then we're just going to tuck the tube inside the tire. Alright, so I'm going to put it in. Okay, once we got the tubes in, we can then push the tire back like this. Now once it's get to this hard part, we're going to use the spanner or a spatula, and we're just going to try to push it back in, like so. And that's it. So now we just need to put the tire back into the bike frame. I'm just going to squeeze this one so it'll come in. close it, and we'll do the same on the other side as well. So here, now we just need to tighten the tire bolt. And then we do on the other side as well. Okay, so I'm just going to pump it up. So I'm just going to pump it up with a hand pump. This is quite a small tire, so it should be quick. Alright, looks good. Now we just need to cover up. Okay. And that's it. We have successfully replaced the bicycle tube. Now it's not flat anymore and we're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.